Oh, that's weird. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Amazon Grocery Gold. Yes, we are back with another episode, and we're going to try a few different things. We actually aren't going to be doing a lot of cooking, but we're going to be doing a lot of something else in this video. I'm glad you joined us, but before we get started, please make sure that you click on that like button. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the content. You don't want to miss out on all the gold out there on Amazon. Our first product is Skittlez. Yes, what's your favorite candy? What's a favorite candy of everybody? Boys and girls. Ever since I was a little boy.
M&M's.
M&M's? No, that's too plain. And the peanut M&M's, yeah. Peanut M&M's are dope. But one of my favorite candies is Skittlez. Wild berry in particular. Love wild berry Skittlez. Now, Serenity Farmz, with a Z at the end, makes Skittlez with a Z at the end. These are the Skittlez. Skittlez with a Z. Check it out. These are Serenity Farmz freeze-dried Skittlez puff candy. They're handcrafted, 32-ounce bag, $6.95 for candy, which I must say, embarrassingly, I've spent more than that on a bag of candy. But we're gonna try these out and see if they're any good. And we're gonna compare it to my favorite candy, or one of my favorite candies, Skittlez. All right, so I have my Skittlez in this little bowl. And we're gonna go ahead and see if, I'm sorry, Skittlez with a Z. And we're gonna compare it with the other ones there. Ooh, my mouth is still watering. Okay. All right, Skittlez, down the hatch. Oh, that's weird. Oh, that's super weird. That's weird. Hold up. The texture completely threw me off. It's like empty. It's puffed, but it's empty. It's like, I don't mean this comparison, but I'm gonna make this comparison. It's almost like chewing on like a peanut shell. So, okay, I got a good comparison.
It's like biting on a lollipop.
No, it's almost like chewing a regular Skittle with nothing inside of it. Am I right?
Yeah, but it's not as.
Okay, so now I'm gonna try regular Skittlez here. Just to get back to normal a little bit.
I had like a more softer crunch.
It's just, yeah. You get more flavor out of it too.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we compared the two. These being the puffed candy by Serenity Farmz, and this being the Skittlez by, who makes Skittlez? Mars? I don't know. I don't know who makes Skittlez, but they do it right every time. This little bag, the little baggy 32-ounce bag, $6.95. I'm gonna have to give it a thumbs down. No. Can't do it. I think I had to pay shipping on that too. I can't remember. But I think, let me see, I might be able to break one of these with my finger. Like, oh yeah! Ah! Yeah, you should not be able to do that with a Skittle. Sorry, Serenity Farmz. Probably good at other things, you know, like the Bob Marley and the smoke in the bowl and the hemp oils and the marijuanas. But stop making candy, please. All right, our next product is Strongwater old-fashioned cocktail mixer. Strongwater, they make a couple different types of old-fashioned. So, Skittle, man. It's that little crackly thing from the Skittle.
Pastry.
Strongwater old-fashioned mixer. This is a mixer for old fashions. If you're an old-fashioned lover, like yours truly, this might be a good mix for you. I know how to make it myself, but of course, I'm a very, very busy young man, and sometimes time is of the essence. But this is Strongwater old-fashioned cocktail mixer. Apparently, you just need a tablespoon of this, and within that tablespoon, it has all the orange, it has the bitters, it has the cherry, it has the sugar, all the things that you need in an old-fashioned. And then you just pretty much add your liquor. I don't know if you're a bourbon person, if you're a whiskey person, and then, you know, give it a little stir over the ice cube, and it's supposed to be real good. Throw it down the hatch. But it's supposed to be worth it. $21.95. Not sure if it's worth it, but we're gonna find out today because we're making old fashions. Yeah. Now, I make old fashions probably a little bit different than the way you make it, the way somebody else makes it, but you're just gonna see how I'm gonna make it. And I'm gonna make 2 of these with different types of liquor. We're gonna use a Texas whiskey. Just kind of keep it just a local. It's not a bad whiskey, I like it. It's pretty good. And we're also gonna twist it with this barbecue whiskey. We're gonna make a regular old fashioned, we're gonna make a barbecue old fashioned, we're gonna make a old fashioned with the Strongwater, with regular whiskey, and we're gonna do that with barbecue whiskey. And we'll compare. I might smoke it too. Smoke it if you got it, baby! Sugar cube. I think you saw it the whole time. Smells so. Yep. Don't spill all this shit. I haven't started drinking yet, I promise. Like there's oils inside the orange.
With the orange?
Yeah, yeah. After you take the oils and heat them up, rub the rim of it. See that? Yeah.
Almost your finger.
Hmm?
So like it was almost your finger.
Not at all, kiddo. Cherry wood. So I'm gonna taste mine and compare it to the Strongwater old fashioned. And I don't want to get poked in the eye here. All right, I put all this stuff on it. It's, you know, that was for y'all. That was, you know, just to look good to everybody else. All right, regular old fashioned. Pretty good. It's a little sweet. I can taste the sugar. I get no orange. I got a lot of stuff here. Okay. Still get some of that cherry wood that I smoked earlier too. It's pretty good. Let me take another sip just to get this little fruity stuff out of here. No fruit. All right. I like mine too, but mine isn't as sweet as that one is. But I kind of like the sweetness. I kind of like the sweetness just to take down from the cloying. I mean, it's a lot of alcohol, a lot of liquor, but I still like it. Maybe I should have added just a little half ounce more into the Strongwater, but it's still pretty good. Especially for just a tablespoon of the Strongwater mixer, still not bad. I kind of like it. So let's do it again with my barbecue whiskey. It smells excellent. I know you guys are probably thinking, barbecue whiskey, what's up with that? Well, I don't know too much, but it's a taste that I can't quite explain. The whiskey in itself has barbecue notes. It's smoky, it's spicy, it's tasty. But it reminds you of barbecue sauce, but it's whiskey. You know, it's kind of hard to put all that into a word to describe it, but it's pretty good. So we're gonna try this drink now. Freaking marvelous. I like it. I like this. What a waste of oranges. Then I had to go off camera and slice another one because I didn't slice nearly enough. Y'all didn't see that, but. Oh man, okay. So, oh man, it takes a strong man to admit when he's beaten. That, for the barbecue one that I made, the Strongwater is much better than the one that I make. It is a lot better. I'm hitting all the notes, but it really kind of, it enhances the flavor of the whiskey. And it's just off of a tablespoon. If you saw what I did, it's just a tablespoon of the Strongwater. Where are you at, buddy? Just a tablespoon of this little magic thing. Okay. So it says you can get 32 drinks out of this. Apparently I have 30 more. So I think this is a keeper. We got 4.5 stars out there on Amazon. It's 8 ounces total. Made in the USA. And yeah, I think this is worth it. This definitely gets a thumbs up from Jamaal Johnson. Keep drinking responsibly and only if you're of age. Last but not least, we have Magic Spoon Variety 8-pack. Magic Spoon is a cereal brand who make very, very good cereals. They're keto friendly, low carb, 0 grams of sugar, high protein, gluten-free, grain-free, natural flavors, no artificial flavors. So you gotta kind of give them up to them. I sort of kind of do a keto diet. I try to stay low carb as possible. Really hard to do in my business, but this cereal sounds like a winner. All right, this box, this 8-pack, $29.99. Now, we never know if it's, hear me out, I know that's a lot of money. We never really know if it's worth it until we try it. But there's 4 different flavors, 2 of each. We have a fruity, we have a peanut, we have a frosted, and we have a cinnamon roll. And we're gonna go ahead and try them all. Again, these are supposed to be really healthy cereals. The cameraman made fun because he said it's not boxes, not 8 boxes of cereal, but 8 bowls of cereal. And I'm not gonna eat all of these, everybody, but we're gonna try at least 1 pack each and see how they are. Okay, and first we're gonna try the fruity. And we're gonna see if it reminds us of, I'm thinking maybe Fruity Pebbles, Fruit Loops maybe. Have you guys ever had this cereal before? If you had this cereal before, please let us know in the comments. Let us know what you think. Aha! It is the loop of fruit. Okay. It's not horrible. It's not super sugary, but it's satisfying to go from Fruit Loops to fruity. Not too bad. Next is our peanut butter. I should say this for last, but I'm not. I'm gonna eat peanut butter right now. I'm a peanut butter lover, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a little disappointed. I didn't like that. All right, next up is our cinnamon roll. I'm sure this will be perfectly like cinnamon toast crunch. Oh, so everything's hoops. It smells really good right out the bat. I smell cinnamon.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Alcohol still.
It's those old fashions, yo. All right. It's my favorite one so far. Magic Spoon, good job on the cinnamon roll. Last one we have is frosted. I'm not expecting, it's probably gonna be a little more like frosted Cheerios versus frosted flakes, I'm assuming. Okay. It smells buttery for some reason. Like I don't know why, but it smells a little buttery. Like a, what's buttery?
Butter.
Oh, like butter.
Popcorn.
No, it just smells nothing like pop. Maybe kettle corn? Maybe. All right, let's try not to be disappointed here. That's good. That's pretty good. Mucho gusto, mucho gusto. All right, so we tasted all 4 cereals, and I kind of like 2 more so than the other 2, but I could get 3 of them. The peanut butter, I really just didn't like the peanut butter at all, which is a surprise for me because I'm a peanut butter fanatic. But anyway, the price of those are $30. Comes to about $3.75 per cup. Thanks for the help there, Mr. Cameraman. And it would be $3.75 for one of these. I think that there is very good value in the low carb cereal. Magic Spoon, you guys are doing great out there with what you're doing with the products and with the flavor, the taste, and the health, and it being a little bit healthier. But I would probably stay away from this 8-pack. I would probably buy like a whole box of whichever cereal you like, and then, just pour like crazy. Thank you very much again for joining us. I'm Jamaal Johnson. We hope to see you in future episodes. Continue to watch us. Hit that like button, smack that subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any of our content. And also let us know what you want me to try. If you see any Amazon items out there you want me to try, send it to me. I might try it. I'll give you a nice, fat, super dope shout out on the show. And thank you again for watching. Until next time, keep on chipping away at that Amazon grocery gold. There's gold in them nar hills. See you next time. Bye-bye. Love you.